Hello students, today we'll learn about noun in this introductory class. But before learning noun, you have to learn something about parts of speech. So every time we start learning English grammar or English, we have to go through a thing called parts of speech. So what is it? Parts of speech is basically every word that exists in this world or English language belongs to these 8 parts of speech: noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, interjection. Let's repeat: noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, interjection. Okay, so like if your teacher asks you, beta, what is your name? Every word that is spoken by your teacher belongs to these 8 parts of speech. Like if I tell you what is a pronoun? If I tell you is belongs to a verb. Your also belongs to a pronoun. Name belongs to noun. So what did we learn? That like every word that exists in this universe or in this English language belongs to 8 parts of speech. So before learning English, we have to learn about parts of speech. So today we'll learn about only noun. Then later on we'll discuss about every parts of speech like pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction. So today let's start reading noun. Okay. So student, what is noun? Noun is something that describes a name, or we can say that a noun is a naming word. Okay, a noun is a naming word. It denotes the name of a person, place, or a thing, or an animal, or a bird, or an emotion, or an idea. So anything that has a name belongs to the parts of speech called noun. Okay. So let's read some examples. Like if you name some persons like your sister, a boy named Raju, a man, these are all persons. So these are also nouns. Like some places like city, Berhampur, village, house, India, river, West Bengal, these are all places name. So beta, all these things called names. Like okay, let's read some more examples. Like if you name some things surrounding us like pen, shirt, eraser, pencil, fruit, table, chair, these all belongs to noun. Let's name some animals like cow, cat, parrot, tiger, your pet, anything that has a name belongs to a parts of speech called noun. There are some more nouns like if you describe an emotion or an idea like freedom, advice, or a thought or a joy, these things are like you'll read about them in higher classes, but these things also belong to a noun. Okay. The subjects you study in your class like language, mathematics, grammar, science, EVS, these all belongs to nouns. Okay, now let's go further and let us read about the classifications of noun. Well, there are 5 main parts of noun. Okay, first is common noun, proper noun, abstract noun, collective noun, material noun. Let us repeat: common noun, proper noun, abstract noun, collective noun, material noun. Okay, let's read one by one. First is what is a common noun? Okay, well, let me read from here. A common name is a name given to common things like persons, places, things, animals, trees, birds, same class. Like let me give you an example. Like if you all have seen bikes, like there are many kinds of bikes we see. Like there are Yamaha bikes, there are TVS bikes, there are Super Splendor bikes, there are Hayabusa, there are Bullet, etc. So these are all bikes. So they belongs to a same class called bike. Like you may have seen many trees. Like there is banyan tree, there is mango tree, there is an apple tree. So all belongs to a same class called tree. So tree, bike, these all belongs to a common noun. In same way, you have seen many city names many boys name in your class, many village names, many city names like Berhampur, Delhi, Kolkata, etc., etc. This all belongs to a same class called city. So these are all common nouns. Okay. So okay, let us read about another noun called proper noun. Okay, what is proper noun? So a proper noun is a name of a particular thing. A little earlier I have told about many type of bikes. Like if I talk about TVS bike, so particularly I am naming a particular bike called TVS. Or if I name a tree, a particular tree called mango tree. So mango tree, TVS, a car Toyota, like a city, a country India, a name of your friend, like if you have a friend called Vignesh or Ram, so both are a specific name or a particular name. So these all are a proper noun. So let me tell you, always proper noun begins with a capital letter. Okay, any proper noun, if you see a proper noun, it will always starts with a capital. Like here you can see I, T, V, S, C, M, Mount Everest, Tommy, etc., etc. Okay, let us see about common noun and proper noun diagram. Like common noun, if we talk about a country, like countries, many countries here: England, Australia, India, South Africa, America. They belongs to many country. So country, the class country. Okay, the word country belongs to common noun. But if we talk about a particularly or specifically on country called India, our country, our beloved country, then India will be a proper noun. Like river, there are many river like Ganga, Bhagirathi, okay, Godavari. So there are many rivers. So the class river belongs to common noun. And if we talk about a particular river, there is a river called Nile. The Nile river belongs to proper noun. You can tell Ganga is also a proper noun. Okay, then there are many cities like Berhampur, Medipur, Palsanda. These all are city names. So the city is common noun, but if you particularly talk about on city, then it will, like Paris, it will become proper noun. Like day is common noun. There are many days. Like if you talk particularly about Monday, it will be a proper noun. Okay, so let's proceed. Now we'll talk about abstract noun. So what is an abstract noun? Okay, abstract is something. Abstract noun is something that is abstract. So what is abstract? Abstract is non-visible. We can't see them. Okay, and it is name of an idea, emotion, or action, or a state, or a subject of study. Okay, let us explain what is. Like if you're feeling loved, can you see love? Love is something that is not visible. We can feel it or we can show it, like joy. Can you see joy? Can you see anger? Can you see truth? Can you see fear? So these are names of our emotions, okay, or our action. This belongs to abstract noun. Like let us see some photos. Like here you can see friendship. Friendship is an abstract noun, okay, but we can't see. We can see it or touch it. Okay. These things are non-tangible. Okay. Oh, so like bravery, like success, anger, happiness, love. These all belongs to abstract noun. Okay, let's proceed. So what is a collective noun? This is very important, students. A collective noun refers to a group of person, like army, committee, family. Like in your family you have your mother, your father, your sisters and you. So it's a collection. So something that describe collection is called collective noun. Like you have seen army, there are many army personnel in a army group. In a committee there are many person. Okay, in a gang there are many person in a gang. Okay, in furniture, in your home's furniture, there is chair, table, there is almari, there is cupboard, there is wardrobe. So this belongs to a group called furniture, a collection called furniture. So it belongs to a collective noun. Let us see some more example. Like here you can see an album of photographs. Okay, a bottle of milk, a bar of soap, a box of toys, a bouquet of flowers, a bunch of keys, a fleet of ships, a group of stars. So group, fleet, bar, box, album, this all belongs to a collective noun because these words describe collection. Okay, let us further proceed about material noun. What is material noun? Okay, it is very easy. Material noun are names of substance. Like substance means that what is made of something, like wood, gold, iron, clay, stone, plastic, river. You can see them, you can touch them. Okay, like tell me some material names. Like you can see in your room, like you can see TV, you can see computer, you can see chair, table, pencil, book, pen. So all are materials. So these are materials names and hence belongs to material noun. Let us see some picture of material noun. Here you can see gold, here you can see wood, here you can see glass, here you can see sugar, here you can see silver. So these are materials. Iron, water, plastic, these are metals and materials. Okay, so all belongs to material noun. Okay, so in later classes we'll learn about we'll discuss some questions and we'll further discuss later parts of speeches. Okay, thank you. Hello students, today we'll learn about noun in this introductory class. But before learning noun, you have to